Hello YouTube, this is Miss Grows It All from the Green Thumb Garden channel. I'm coming to you today to show you some of the things that we do with our fruits and vegetables that we get out of our garden. As you remember, last week he harvested these bananas from our banana tree. And today what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 2 or 3 of them and I'm going to make banana chips out of them. You can use green bananas, but in order to use green bananas to make banana chips, you have to soak them for 2 hours in lemon juice and water. So what I'm going to do is take 3 of these, and I'm going to slice them real thin and place them in my lemon juice and water for 2 hours. So let me get to slicing, and I'll come back and show you how thin and what they look like once I finish slicing. Okay, YouTube, I'm back, and as you can see, I've sliced my green bananas, and I sliced them pretty thin. I got them real thin, so when you make your chips, they're not thick and not still soft. They get real nice and crunchy. And I put them in the water with some lemon juice to keep them from browning. And like I said earlier, we're going to let them soak for 2 hours. And after they soak for 2 hours, I'm going to spread them out on a baking pan and put them in my dehydrator for about another 2 hours on 250 to 275. And I'll bring you back to let you see how those turned out. Okay, YouTube, 4 hours later, and we're done with the banana chips. I did some with cinnamon and sugar, and I did some with salt and pepper. Just wanted to try something, get a little flavor, and see how they turn out. They did pretty good. They look pretty good. Let's see how crunchy they are. Pretty crunchy. Let's see what they taste like. Not bad. So I will definitely be making more of those out of the bananas that we harvest from our garden. That's good. So until the next time, thanks for watching Green Thumb Garden channel, and have a good night.